So dear student, please pay attention. Now we are going to start a new topic, that is law of mass action. Clear? Law of mass action. Once again I repeat, we are going to start a new topic, that is law of mass action. See, scientists were researching that on which factors rate or speed of a chemical reaction depend upon. Clear? There are many factors which influences the rate of a chemical reaction. So rate of a chemical reaction can be increased by increasing the temperature, because rate of reaction depends directly on temperature, surface area of catalyst, which we have discussed now only. Clear? There are certain photochemical reactions. Now in current topic we are going to discuss law of mass action. Clear? See, two scientists, Cato Gullberg and Peter Vaje, they studied they carried out a large number of reactions and studied that they observed that rate of or speed of the chemical reaction with which reactants are converted into product, that depends directly on the product of the concentration of reactant. Once again I repeat, Cato Gullberg and Peter Vaje, they studied many reactions, a number of reactions. They carried out number of reactions in laboratory, and then they reached to the conclusion that rate of a chemical reaction is directly proportional to the product means multiply, product of the concentration of reactant. रिएक्टेंट अगर एक से ज़्यादा है तो उन दोनों के कंसंट्रेशन के प्रोडक्ट पर डिपेंड करता है रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन, कैसे? डायरेक्टली. क्लियर? नाउ लुक एट द बोर्ड. सी द इफेक्ट ऑफ कंसंट्रेशन. कंसंट्रेशन का क्या असर होता है? कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ रिएक्टेंट के कंसंट्रेशन का क्या असर होता है रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन पे? तो द इफेक्ट ऑफ कंसंट्रेशन ऑन द रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन वाज फर्स्ट स्टडीड बाय Cato Gullberg and Peter Vaje in 1867, and after performing many experiments they put forward a law. ठीक है? They put forward a law, and this law is known as law of mass action. Clear? So after studying a lot of reactions, after carrying out a lot of several chemical reactions in laboratory, they come to the conclusion, and that conclusion they put forward as a law which is known as law of mass action. And law of mass action states that, what is the statement, what it says? See, रेट ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शन, किसी भी केमिकल रिएक्शन का रेट या स्पीड, जिस स्पीड के साथ रिएक्टेंट प्रोडक्ट में कन्वर्ट होंगे, तो रेट ऑफ ए केमिकल रिएक्शन इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल. वो डायरेक्ट डिपेंड करता है किस चीज पर? टू दी प्रोडक्ट ऑफ कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ रिएक्टेंट. रिएक्टेंट अगर एक से ज़्यादा है तो दोनों रिएक्टेंट के कंसंट्रेशन के प्रोडक्ट पर वो डायरेक्टली डिपेंड करता है. टू मेक इट मोर क्लियर, लेट अस टेक अ जनरल रिएक्शन. फॉर अ जनरल रिएक्शन, टेक एन एग्जांपल फॉर अ जनरल रिएक्शन. सी A plus B, there are two reactant A and B. They are reacting to give a product. Then according to this law of mass action, rate of this reaction, speed of this reaction, rate will be directly proportional to product means multiply, product of concentration of the reactant. This big bracket represent concentration. So rate of such a reaction depends directly on प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ रिएक्टेंट. दोनों रिएक्टेंट के कंसंट्रेशन के प्रोडक्ट पर, गुणनफल पर ये डायरेक्टली डिपेंड करता है. ठीक है? सो इन नेक्स्ट स्टेप वी कैन से, और रेट वी विल रिप्लेस दिस प्रोपोर्शनलिटी साइन एंड बाय इक्वल्स इसको रिप्लेस करेंगे. राइट साइड में कांस्टेंट से भी मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. वी मल्टीप्लाई ए कांस्टेंट with a constant on right hand side, K into concentration of A into concentration of B, and this K K is a constant of proportionality because we had replaced this proportionality sign by this constant. Hence K is proportionality constant and is known as, this constant is known as rate constant. See, where K equal to constant of proportionality called rate constant. Clear?